Look around you. Almost every business you see has a website, but they look clunky and doesn't always work well on mobile phones. What if you can build amazing websites like these in just 10 minutes and sell it for long-term profit to these small businesses? Let's see how you can create amazing websites using Xpress Site. Go to My Clients tab on Xpress Site and click on the plus button. The first step is to enter the basic info like the business name and category. The second step is where you can choose to provide the current boring website of your client for reference. Or if they don't have one, choose to start from scratch. Since we are building from scratch, we have to provide some business information like what are all the products and services your client offer, and why do customers like them? This will help Xpress Site to generate compelling contents for the website. Once you are done, the AI will do its thing and suggest you a list of pages. Select the pages you want to continue with, and then you will be further prompted with some more steps. The location, the address, contact information to display on their website, and finally the opening and closing hours, and done. Now wait for Xpress Site to finish building your site. There you have it, your website is ready. You can share this link with your client to give them a demo. Let's visit what we built. Now we have this beautiful mobile-friendly website. We need to add all the images though. Let's go back to Xpress Site app and navigate to the Design tab. Here, let me add a banner image. I can either upload from my device gallery or search through the stock photos. Great, let's see the output. Wonderful. So you got yourself a sellable website in just minutes.